On July 24th, 2024, Wednesday, Zorn Legaspi visited the rainforest area in Pasig City, which had been severely affected by flooding from Typhoon Karina. He provided relief goods to the MCGI Brethren and other residents and assisted those stranded on the roads. On July 25th, 2024, Thursday, Richard Benito the adventurer visited the area to check the current situation. It was observed that the floodwaters had receded. Richard Benito is relieved and thankful to God that the floodwaters have subsided and no one was hurt.
Hanggang saan doon ba si Balsore?
Ako, nandito yun eh.
Wala doon. Hanggang saan?
Tubig.
Oo, yung tubig.
Doon po yan.
Pero,
Doon, bago kumalik ng tulay.
bago pumayag ng tulay, ano. Ngayon wala na, salamat sa Diyos.
Kumalik siya ito eh. Pumasok rin ito.
Kaya, ano po, mga kapatid, salamat sa Diyos. Dito po sa rainforest. Paano po yung baha. And wala na po, salamat sa Diyos. Wala po tayong mga kapatid na napahamak.